नमस्कार बच्चों, हमें यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन दिया गया है। हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे जिसमें बताया गया है 35% ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज इन द फैक्ट्री आर फीमेल्स एंड अदर आर मेल्स। तो फॉर्म एन इक्वेशन एंड ड्रा द ग्राफ शोइंग द नंबर्स ऑफ मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स बाय रीडिंग द ग्राफ एंड दिस। ओके, ग्राफ में हम जानते हैं क्या हमको मिलेगा। हमें सपोज करना पड़ेगा, लेट द नंबर ऑफ males in the factory are equal to x and the number of females in the factory are equal to y. Therefore total population कितनी हो जाएगी? Therefore the total population of the employees is equal to x plus y. टोटल पॉपुलेशन हो जाएगी। अब ये जो टोटल पॉपुलेशन हो जाएगी मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स की, बताया ये दिस इज द टोटल, राइट। 35% ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज इन द फैक्ट्री आर फीमेल्स। Okay, then according to question, (35% of employees in a factory are female). Females कितनी है? y. Therefore y are equals to 35% of total. It means x plus y. Therefore y equals to 35 by 100 of x plus y. Okay. Now we will find the value when the first one is the number of female in the if the males are 26. तो males के लिए कितना है यहाँ? Number of males are x, right? Then first part is when number of females, number of males are 26. Number of males are 26. Then number of female, that is y. Then y is equal to what? 35 by 100 in bracket, that is 26 plus y, and then this is y is equal to 35 by 100 into 26 and plus 35 by 100 y. 35 by 100 y transposing in the left hand side, it become y minus 35 by 100 y, and that is equal to 35 by 100 into 26. In this side it become 100 y minus 35 become 100 y minus 35 y divided by 100, and that is 35 into 26 divided by 100, right? Then we will find 100y minus 35 will become 65y divided by 100, and that is equal to 35 into 26 divided by 100. 100 is here and 100 is here. Then हमारे पास क्या वैल्यू बचेगी? 65y, that is equal to what? 35 into 26. Therefore y is equal to 35 into 26 divided by 65, right? When 5 13 jar, 5 7 jar, 13 1 jar, 13 2 jar, this is 7 2 jar, 14 divided by 1, that is 14. Then y is equal to what? 14. Okay, in the graph, in the table, when we will put the value of x, when we will put the value of, yes, the value of x, we will find the value of y. When value of x is 26, then the value of y is 14, right? Again, the second time, when the number of males, the number of males, if the females are 21, right? Now the number of males, okay? Then if the females are 21, right? Then in second value, when number of females are 21, then y equals to 35 by 100 into x plus y. Then when number of females, and then y is equal to what? This is the number of female, and that is 21. Therefore 21 is equal to 35 by 100 in bracket x plus 21, right? Therefore this is 21, that is equal to 35 by 100x plus 35 into 21 divided by 100 x. This will become 35 by 100x, and that is equal to this value transposing in the other side. Then this become 21 minus 35 into 21 डिवाइडेड बाई 100. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, एलसीएम जब लेंगे तो एलसीएम लेने पर हमको क्या मिलेगा, दिस विल बी 35 by 100 x ही रहेगा, एंड देन 100 का 21 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. दिस बिकम 100 into 21 minus 35 into 21 divided by 100. 100 इधर भी लेफ्ट साइड में, दोनों साइड में 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. देन द वैल्यू विल बी 35 x equal to what, 100, इसमें से 21 कॉमन ले लेंगे, देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू 100 minus 35, that is 21 into in bracket 100 minus 35 become 65. Therefore this is x equal to 21 into 65 divided by 35 7 5 ja 7 3 ja 5 1 ja 5 13 ja, and this is the value of 3 into 30, and this is 39. Therefore x is equal to 39. Okay, when y is equal to 21, when y is equal to 21, then x is equal to 39. Right, this is 39. Okay, 39 and 40. थोड़ा स्पेस कम है, थोड़ा समझ लीजिएगा, ठीक है, माफ करना, क्योंकि स्पेस कम है तो ये इसको थोड़ा समझ लीजिएगा ध्यान से। x हमारा कितना है सबसे पहले, when x is 26, then where is 26, 25, 26, x is 26, right? When x is 26, then y is 14. 14 is this, in this place, this is 14, x is 14, then y is 14, x is 26, right? This is the place, this is 26 comma 14, right? And again when x is 39, when x is 39, this 39, when x is 39, right, then y is 21, then y is this 21, right? This is the place. Okay, now this point is 39 comma 21, right? And to the graph, so this is the line showing this graph. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, thank you.